Hello, in this video I'll be making this hobo bag, and for this bag I used an Ankara fabric. It's a very beautiful patterned Ankara fabric that is inexpensive, and yeah, the bag turned out beautiful. If this is something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned while we delve into the video. I worked with a measurement of 16 inches by 35.5 inches. So 16 inches was for the width, while 35 inches was for the height. Then I folded it into two equal halves. I marked the midpoint with my blue chalk on both ends. Then I also had to weave the um, edges of the Ankara so that it doesn't lose or pull out. So that's me using the zigzag stitches on all four ends of the Ankara fabric. This part is quite optional depending on the type of fabric you're using, but because the fabric I'm using is likely to pull out, that's why I'm weaving or using the zigzag stitches to prevent it from losing after making the bag. Then here I was done stitching all sides of the bag. You can see it turned out really nice and neat. Then the part that I marked as the midpoint, I folded it evenly to the other points. Then I made a notch at the middle, as you can see in the video. Then I made sure the Ankara fabric was straight, making sure the edges were well aligned. Then I clipped all three edges. Then I measured 8 inches on the left hand side of the bag, which I marked out with my chalk. I did the same measurement on the right hand side of the bag. So that part is where I'm going to stitch. I'm going to stitch both the left hand side and the right hand side on the part where I marked to be 8 inches. So this is me stitching the right hand side. After stitching both sides, this is what I ended up with. Then I folded the down parts this way. I clipped the down parts before stitching. So you can see the down part is looking longer compared to what it was before, because I folded it the other way around. And that's so that we're able to carry the bag the right way. So this is just me stitching the down part. It would make more sense once I'm done making the bag. This was what I ended up with after stitching all three sides of the bag. I turned the bag inside out. It turned out beautiful. I just love the bag. Like it's unique, it's bold, it's beautiful, and it has a lot of colors that you can just play around with. So you can pair it with almost any color of outfits. You're gonna look outstanding, you know. Anyways, yeah, this was the bag, and I just put in some clothes in there to give it a bit of structure, and here is the final look. If this is something you found helpful, if you've made a video of this bag and they turned out really nice. Please leave a comment down below. Every time I see comments from you guys about how helpful you found my video, it just makes me inspired to keep making videos. If you'd like me to make a video of any bag or anything you find a bit confusing, just let me know and I'll try to do justice to them. Bye.